Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a task 1, that is a process of the production of honey. So let's start with the task 1. The task 1 statement is the diagram. Below this diagram shows the how honey is made in small scale commercial production. Means how honey is being generated in a small trading or in a small scale commercial production. Means कि हनी ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਨਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ small scale commercial production. Okay, so this is the whole process. Firstly, in a process, what we do, it should be in a present tense, and how we make the overall of this process. In the overall, we should start with the initiating steps, that what is being happen in the initiating steps, and after that what is happening in the last steps or in the ending steps, and how many steps are there in a proper process. So this is how we attempt the overall of process, and then half of the steps we cover in BP1 and half of the steps we cover in BP2. So this is a general idea of how to attempt the task 1 related to a process. So let's start. Firstly, what we need to do, paraphrase the statement. The statement is what? Diagram. Diagram is the graphical representation or the visual representation. It shows, instead of shows we can say it elucidates, it represents, it illustrates the, what it illustrates, the different stages that are involved in the generation of honey in minor trading. For small scale commercial production we can use in minor trading. Minor trading de vich how we can generate honey. So this is how you can paraphrase the statement. After that, come to the overall points. So overall, what this diagram is depicting? It is depicting that overall there are made 2 steps. What these 2 steps are? First step is related to the bee phase. So bee phase in which bees are involved. So this is till this, starting from this till this, it is the bee phase. And here human beings are involved, workers or human beings are involved. So from this to this phase, this is a human phase. So we can say that overall it can be seen that whole process consists of 2 main steps. What these 2 main steps are? One is human bee phase and second one is human phase. The former one is related to the bees. Former one means the first stage or first step or first phase is related to the bees, and in the later one means in the second phase what is happening, human beings process and pack the honey for selling it in the market. Means they are processing, means they are doing something with the honey in order to make it, in order to form, they are doing something with the nectar in order to form the honey for selling it in the market, and they are packing also. They are packing, they process and pack the honey to sell it in the market for the consumers or for the customers. So this is how you can make the overall, that there are 2 main phases, main 2 stages, and in the first stage bees are involved, and in the second stage human beings, they process and pack the honey to sell it in the market. Okay, clear? So let's now move towards the body paragraph 1. In BP1 we will cover the bee phase, and in BP2 we will cover the human phase. Sorry. So in the bee phase, so you can start like starting with, or in the initiating steps, looking into the details, or starting with the initiating steps. Firstly, bees what they gather means collect, they gather or collect the required amount of nectar. Required amount of nectar को gather कर दिया ने और collect कर दिया ने, then this is being deposited ਘਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਛੱਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਹਨੀ ਬੀਜ਼ ਦੇ, it is being deposited or brought, it is being brought or deposited in the hives, where honey bees ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ hives ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. After that what they do, after that, so you can deposit, instead of deposit you can write it is brought, or instead of gather you can write collect. They gather or collect the required amount of nectar, then it being deposited or brought in the hives. Hive ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਪਹੁੰਚਦਾ ਹੈ. After that this is being dried by the honeys. Dry ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ honeys ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਹੀ. Instead of dried you can use withered. It is being withered by the honeybees. Honeybees ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ honeybees ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, dry ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ by flapping their wings. अपने पंखों को flap करके, like देखो fans wings means by flapping their wings, अपने पंखों को flap करके honeybees what they do, they dry this nectar, and after that this is being sealed. They seal cells with wax. एक wax के नाल honeybees cells को seal कर देते हैं. Cells को आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? What else we can say? Compartments. Compartments. What they do? They seal. Seal means lock up. They lock up the compartments in order to keep the cells clean. Keep the cells clean. Keep means remain or retain. In order to retain the cells or compartments clean, instead of clean what else we can use? In order to remain the compartments scrubbed. Means compartments को scrubbed करके रखने के लिए और clean करके रखने के लिए what they do? They used to seal the cells with a kind of wax. So with this the honeybees phase ends. Okay, honeybees का phase end हो जाता है. After that comes move towards the human phase. So in the human phase, primarily means firstly human beings or the workers, what they do, they gather the honeycombs. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਛੱਤੇ ਨੇ, combs ਨੇ, honey ਦੇ combs ਨੇ, what they gather ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, means we can also use that they assemble or congregate. They congregate or assemble the combs. Combs को assemble करते हैं workers. After that, these assembled combs are being pressed. Press किए जाते हैं by a machine. एक machine के नाल these combs are then pressed. Pressed instead of pressed, what we can use? Squeezed or lean. ननु squeeze किया जाता है और lean किया जाता है by a machine, and in order to collect the honey. Okay, by this machine, by pressing the combs, what we get the honey, and then this honey is being transferred or poured किया जाता है in the sump tank by a worker or by a laborer. It is being poured in the sump tank where it is heated at 45 to 50 degree Celsius. After heating, then it transferred into the sieve tank. Sieve tank means like in a filter. Then it passed through a filter in order to remove. Remove means eliminate the dirt or impurities. In order to eliminate the impurities को eliminate करने के लिए this honey, after passing through a sump tank, it is being poured in a sieve tank, and next to it, what is it is being settled in a settling tank. Settling tank के which for sedimentation it is being settled for 2 to 4 days. 2 to 4 days के लिए then it is being settled in the settling tank before being packed into the in the jars ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਕ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹ ਸੈਟਲਿੰਗ ਟੈਂਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 to 4 days ਦੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ and after that it is ready to sell it in the market, ready for the consumption of the customers or the consumers. Clear? So this is how you can attempt the task one. This is this process. I hope you all are clear with this process.